multiply numbers with decimal points in them? Well, first of all, you just pretend the decimal point's not there and you multiply like regular. So we're going to multiply 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Then we're going to go in and make our squiggle lines, and call them whatever you want, but can you guys make the squiggle lines when you do your work on the next page? So I start at the end, I'm looking for a decimal point, I stop when I get to 1, I've made one squiggle line in my work. There are no places to look for a decimal point in the top number, so I just need one squiggle line, so I'm going to make 1 in my answer. My decimal point goes right there. So the answer to that one is 4 6/10. Okay, let's do another one. Forget about the decimal points and just multiply as regular. Forget about those. You don't line up decimal points when you multiply. All right, 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus that 1 that we brought over, that's 5. Hold my place with a 0, because now we're going to multiply by the 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I'm going to add, then I'm going to make my squiggle line. So 2 and 0 is 2, 8 and 5 is 13, carry the 1, 7, 8. Okay, now I worry about the decimal point. I go up in my answer, and I'm looking for a decimal point. Nope. Yep, there it is. Stop. Same thing in the next one. Looking for a decimal point. Nope. Look for another one. Yep, stop. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 lines go in my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal point goes there. Fill in that little gap with a 0. One more. My answer to that one is 0.0832, or 832 10,000ths. That 2 is in the 10,000ths place. Okay, one more example. Forget about the decimal points. You don't line them up when you're multiplying. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we're going to make our squiggle lines, looking for decimal points. Start at the end, go over once, twice, one time. I have 1, 2, 3 places that I move to make it find a decimal point. I put 3 in my answer, fill in that little spot with a 0. My answer to that one with the correctly placed decimal point is 96 thousandths. If you have any questions, raise your hand.